So here's how to create an envelope in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple, guys, so let's get started. First of all, you need to select the mailing option from the above side. Select the mailings, and then from here you are gonna see the envelope options. So tap on the envelope, then this dialog box will appear. Now you need to paste your delivery address first. So let me just copy my delivery address and paste right over here. All right. And then you will see different types of option preview. So if you tap on the preview, then you can see the preview options from here, and also you will get the printing option. So if you tap on that, you can see the face up or face down. So that for default you will get the face up and you will get this orientation. All right, so if you have like different trays in your printer, then you can select multiple trays. If you have, then you can select the tray, but for this basic case you will get the default tray and it will work. If you want to print this envelope, you can simply go and tap on print to print the envelope. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.